Good morning, everyone. I am here speak about leading sets. Leading sets are solid sets. We can see them and touch them. They have names with height. Now we can see leading sets. Tube. A tube has 6 square faces and 8 corners. Example, dice and Rubik's cube. Rectangle prism. Rectangle has 6 rectangle faces and opposite faces are equal. Example, pencil box and board. Sphere. Sphere is round and no corners and no edges. Example, ball and orange. Cylinder. Cylinder